Hello and welcome to English 103, Composition and Critical Thinking. So who am I? I am Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu, and I'm not your boss. I'm not God. I'm your friendly teacher guide. And let's emphasize this word guide. It's very important. And who are you? You're my student. That's true. I guide you in the learning process. So you're my teacher. You teach me how to teach you. So that means you're my collaborator. We work together. And here is a great truism or truth about the teaching learning process. Without each other's help, the teacher and the student, we will not be successful in this course. You'll probably pass the course because you'll work hard. And will it be meaningful learning we engage in? Will we really be working together? Will it be fun and exciting? I don't want to be the teacher who stuffs information into your head. I'm going to try to pose problems to you and create dialogue because I think that's the only way we learn. And when I say that to you, who am I paraphrasing? I'm using the words of a really great guy. His name is Paulo Freire. And I'll talk about him in this course with you, who he is, okay? And how he believes teaching should occur is how I believe teaching should occur. I think the guy was a genius, okay? He teaches me that we teach each other. There's a red apple for me as a teacher, but there's also a red apple for you as a student because you're also my teacher and you're my student and you're my collaborator. And I am your teacher, your student, and your collaborator. We work together to make learning meaningful. And it's super important that you teach me how to teach you. Guide me, and I'll guide you. Okay, so what is our course about? Let's go into it. So here we are in English 103, Composition and Critical Thinking. And I'm going to move my image right here. And let's look at the left menu here. It's very small. I don't have one of those gigantic menus in Canvas because I think less is more, fewer is more. It's confusing having those big long menus. So let's look at each item in the menu. So here we are in home. What is home? Well, think of home as one of those big bulletin boards we used to have in classrooms when we were little. The teacher and we, the students, we used to decorate it with themes, with class projects, with different things. And that's what our bulletin board is like. In my longer courses, I work with students to decorate the bulletin board. Here we're in a 6-week course, 16 weeks compressed into 6 weeks. So you have enough on your plate. I won't require you or ask you to decorate the bulletin board with me, but I'll make it fun for you. Okay, so what's on our bulletin board? What do we have here? Well, first we have all about this class. This is a video you're watching and listening to now. We have my Welcome to English 103, Composition and Critical Thinking, Blue Brain. I thought this image was pretty cool for a critical thinking class, a brain turning on and off. That was pretty neat. We also have a link to week 1 in modules, June 10th through the 16th, 2019. This little hand here is telling you to click on that. And each week of the 6-week semester, I'll have a link to modules here for you. And why do I have that link? Because here in modules, this is our class Bible. Everything we're going to do in the course, all the reading, all the assignments are here in modules. So we're effectively a one-tab course. And this is it right here, where all of our learning takes place and all of our teaching and our collaborating. Okay, so what else do I have on the bulletin board? I just have that link there and this video. So let me use this link to go into modules. And here it takes me into the to-do list for week 1, June 10th through the 16th, 2019. All of our assignments are here and they're accessible to you. So I'm going to ask that you not do your essays ahead of time. You can be working on them, but don't post them because our essays are also discussions that we have with each other, and that involves all of us, okay? So Something else I need to point out to you in modules that's important. You'll see the due dates, June 12th, June 14th, June 17th. Please don't think, because we're in this 6-week course, that, well, I'll just start this assignment on June 12th, and I'll start this one on the 14th and this one on the 17th. Begin work immediately, because we're doing 16 weeks worth of work compressed into 6 weeks. So we're hitting the ground running. Okay, so after modules, what do we have? We have the syllabus. And again, I don't like a lot of clutter in classrooms, so I've broken the syllabus into 16 bite-sized pieces right here. So my instructor and course information is here, and my communications policy. I do not have physical office hours on campus at West this summer, but I am available via Skype, and here is my Skype name. I'm available 12 to 2 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays, except for holidays. Here's my Skype number. If you've never used Skype before, I have information here that will show you how to use Skype, and it's pretty nifty. You might want to use it with other people in your life. I use it all the time. Sometimes I'm walking across campus at West, and I have my cell phone up, and I'm Skyping with a student. So you can take it onto your cell or anywhere. And sometimes it helps with a face-to-face collaboration rather than here in inbox. That you want to see someone face-to-face, and that's fine. I enjoy that. Okay, what else do I have here in the left menu? I have grades. And what is grades? Grades is super important, because grades contains all of my feedback to you and your grades on the assignments, the evaluations I give you. I had a student the other semester who thought I was just giving him number grades, and I had no feedback for him. And I didn't realize he didn't know about grades here, so I'm going to make that clear to you. I click on grades. I also have Canvas tutorials here. If you need to look up something in Canvas, learn how to work inside this online classroom in cyberspace. And I have Office 365, which is a favorite of mine, because we just log in with our email, and then all of these apps that are so expensive, such as Word, we can use them for free as long as we're online. Okay. I'm going to go back here to home, to our bulletin board. I'm going to center onto our image of the big blue brain turning on and off, which excites me so much. And I'm going to tell you that I care deeply about your learning. I want to collaborate with you. We're in a 6-week course. We're kind of rushed, but I want a chance to get to know you and to learn from you and to guide you. Okay, so remember, I'm here in inbox. You're never, ever bothering me if you email me. I love to hear from you. You're never emailing me too much. If something isn't clear, you need to teach me how to make it clear. We need to collaborate together. And if you have suggestions for me, I love to have suggestions. Give them to me, okay? And together we'll make the class better. All right, let's have a good semester.